quick and easy snack, I got you. Parmesan asparagus fries. Yeah. Let's make it. Here's what we need for our quick and easy asparagus fries. Quick, delicious snack. All right, we have 2 lightly beaten eggs. Of course, we got a bunch of fresh asparagus. We're going to trim those and we're going to boil those till they are tender. Seasoned breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan cheese. I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs because, like I say, this is quick and easy. So let's just get them off, and we can pull our rubber band up a little bit more because we're going to use the rubber band to hold them together as we drop them in our pot of boiling water. We have our water boiling, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get our asparagus in here. And we're gonna boil them for 2-3 minutes, maybe 3-4 minutes. We're gonna check them, see how tender they are. While our asparagus are getting tender for us, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Yeah. So we're just gonna let them continue until they get tender. Right, our asparagus is tender to where we want it. Normally, you would want to put it on an ice bath to stop it from cooking, but we're not gonna do that. I'm just gonna set these to the side, take the rubber band off, and allow them to dry. Look how green they are. Yeah, that bright green means they done. That means they're done. So let's go ahead and get our rubber band off. There we go. We're just gonna let them, we're gonna spread them out. We're gonna let them dry. If you have paper towels, you can speed this process up by letting them dry. But as always, I forgot my paper towels when I went to the store. So we gonna make it happen how we make it happen. You know how we do. Yeah. Start making our asparagus fries. And as you can see, we have them all cooled and dried. I'm using tongs because you want to try to keep your breading as dry as possible. So we're just going to let it drip. Now we use our hand. So we're going to go from egg to breadcrumbs, back to eggs, and then breadcrumbs. Excess drip off. Bam, back in the breadcrumbs. And let's just coat it up. As such. There we go. There we go. Out. And we're just gonna lay it in our baking dish. Rinse and repeat. Let's get our other one in here. Let's clean these off. There we go. Drip. Mix. Back in the egg. point. So let me finish these. Gonna pop these boys in the oven for a quick, delicious snack. Somewhat healthy. Somewhat. And it is. Yeah. And one thing I did forget to mention, I always do this to myself. When you're breading anything like this, you want to separate or do your breading in batches, because once your panko starts to get wet from the eggs, then it stops sticking. So always remember to do your breading in batches when you're using eggs, because it'll stop sticking and it'll be a headache. But this is what we're looking like. Now let's get these boys in the oven. Like I said, oven is preheated at 425. We're gonna put it in there for 15 to 20 minutes until these boys come out crispy and golden brown. Yeah, this is what we're looking like. Just like that right there. Quick and easy, delicious snack. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna let these boys rest for a minute. We're gonna come back, we're gonna plate them up, make it pretty. You know how